activity A, just to get used to the simulator, you're going to see a sample atom in the center. You're going to fire the proton, fire the neutron, and fire the helium atom. And as you do that, there may or may not be a reaction. So when you fire the proton, you're going to see that it goes through, reacts with the center, and gives off a certain amount of energy. But when you fire the neutron, it passes straight through as a result from there. When you get to activity B, again, you're going to make sure that it says proton to proton for each one of those. You can fire the neutron. And then we want to look at the equations that are associated with each one. So when you click on the equation button, you're going to see where we add in the hydrogen atom, and then you need to fill in the spots for the other ones. In your lab sheet, there is a listing of some of the different particles and what they look like from an atomic value. So you're going to be able to put the protons in here up at the top. You're going to be able to put the neutrons in down at the bottom, and then see if you can balance the equation. Remember, when you're balancing chemical equations, the mass on each side of the equation has to be equal. So as you go through and type in the protons and the neutrons, the activity will automatically populate what you see for each one of those. So as you go through, you can put together what you would guess for the chemical equation. Then after you're done, you'll be able to click the show equation part, and it'll give you the actual equation of what you see. Make sure that you click on the show equation after you attempt the first one, because that's what you'll need for the actual lab itself. For part C, we're going to look at nuclear fission. So on the sun, it's nuclear fusion, the combining of atoms. On Earth, it's nuclear fission. So again, you're going to change this one to nuclear fission. You see a significantly larger atom up in the center, and you're going to get to fire the protons, neutrons, and so on. And then when you get to the chance to write the equation, you'll be able to see how the equation plays out. Now, very important, when you do this one and you fire different ones, there's not a guarantee that you will get the same exact results. There are multiple different results that could occur as the result of nuclear fission. So as you go through this, there are multiple different equations that you're going to need to do. So you're going to fire the proton, and it'll do nothing. When you fire the neutron, however, it's going to react and split the atom apart into various byproducts. Those byproducts are, again, the ones that can vary. So you're going to need to hit the next button or the reset button to make sure that you get all of the different projects for each one. Again, you're going to need to make sure that you fill in the right equation part of it. After you've attempted it, you'll be able to do the show equation, and that'll help you match up the choices for the formative at the end.